Banana cake with cream cheese frosting is a delicious southern layer cake. Although this dessert with bananas recipe isn't quite as well known as other cakes such as carrot cake or strawberry cake, it's absolutely delicious. If you want to learn how to make this easy homemade cake, keep watching. This banana cake is as easy as it is delicious. I'm starting off with 1 box of white cake mix and 1 small packet of instant vanilla pudding, to which I'm adding 1 heaping cup of mashed banana. As you can see, I brought it all the way to the top of this glass measuring cup. In terms of grams, it's 317 grams of mashed banana. I am using Carmelita bananas. These bananas I do not see in many stores, but they're my favorite. These are grown on a farm in Chiapas in southern Mexico, from what I've found online, and these are consistently the sweetest bananas ever. So if you like bananas and you see Carmelita brand, you should get them because they are phenomenal. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 3 large eggs, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So all I'm going to do is empty the vanilla pudding mix. You could use banana cream, and you even could use banana extract instead of vanilla, but a lot of people will tell you that a lot of banana flavored things taste kind of fake. So if you want real banana flavor, it's best to go with real bananas. Honestly, I think it would still be okay with banana pudding or banana extract, but like I said, a lot of people absolutely swear by using real bananas. The key ingredient in this banana cake with cream cheese frosting recipe is the bananas, so it's important that your bananas are very ripe. Honestly, mine could probably have ripened another day or two, but they should be yellow and covered in brown and black spots. Probably a little bit riper than what you would eat. That's when you know that they're ready for baking. Now that everything is in the mixing bowl, I'm going to blend for 2 to 3 minutes. I almost forgot, 1 tablespoon of vinegar as well. This will help to create a more acidic environment so that the leavening agent can work better and make the cake fluffier. Now that the batter is ready, I'm going to pour it into 2 prepared cake pans and bake at 325 for 30 to 35 minutes. But I would check them after 25 just to be sure. So the cake layers are done. They were in at 325 for 35 minutes. They've been cooling for 25 minutes now. So I'm going to take them out of the pans. And now I'm assembling the banana cake. I'm using my cream cheese frosting. Sometimes I do this with no butter. This time I added 1 tablespoon of butter. If this goes up before the cream cheese frosting recipe, I will put a link to the frosting recipe once it is up. Once the cream cheese frosting had a bit of time to set, it was time to cut into this banana cake with cinnamon. I'm not sure if you can tell from the lighting in this video, but this banana cake with cream cheese frosting and cinnamon was so good that even though I finished the cake at around 4:30 in the morning, I stayed up another hour or maybe hour and a half so that I could cut into this as soon as possible. And I'm glad that I did because this cake was amazing. Banana is a delicious yet subtle flavor, so the cinnamon and vanilla accentuated it perfectly. The mashed bananas, along with a little bit of buttermilk and vinegar, made this cake moist, light, airy, and fluffy. The soft and lightly sweet cake pairing perfectly with the sweet and smooth cream cheese frosting. Some southern banana cake recipes call for walnuts, and honestly, I think they would be a good addition to this. They would add a nice texture. Another thing that I think would be good is replacing the vanilla pudding and the vanilla extract with some sort of coconut pudding and coconut extract. I use coconut extract in my hummingbird cake, which has mashed bananas, so I think it would work well here. Like I said earlier in the video, I think that the hardest part of this recipe is making sure that you have ripe bananas. If your bananas aren't ripe enough and you just have an insatiable craving for banana cake with cream cheese frosting, you could always roast the bananas. Put them on a baking sheet in a 350-degree oven and flip them every 5 minutes until the peels turn completely and totally black. Also, if anyone makes this banana cake recipe using banana extract or banana pudding, let me know. Like I said earlier, banana flavored things have a reputation for tasting fake, but I'm curious as to how they would taste when mixed with real banana. As you can see from this up-close shot, this banana cake is super light and fluffy. Although cream cheese frosting is perfect on this light and slightly sweet cake, I think that some sort of caramel frosting would be good too. As you can see, we have a lot of experimenting to do. Experimentation aside, if you're like me and you like the subtle deliciousness of bananas, be sure to try this banana cake with cream cheese frosting and cinnamon recipe. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more information about Argentinian food and Southern recipes, please visit my website, parnellthechef.com, and be sure to follow me on social media. Right now, I'm most active on Twitter and Instagram. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!